Hi listeners, this is Jack, your host, and welcome to another helpful episode. A flat roof can face leaks, pooling water, cracks, and wear that should never be ignored. When roof trouble appears, professional flat roof repair in Portage MI can help protect your property. From minor leaks to visible damage, the right repair approach can prevent bigger roofing headaches. Empire Contractors offers dependable solutions designed to restore protection and keep your roof performing well. Whether it is rain, snow, or changing temperatures, a sound roof brings greater peace of mind. Regular attention can also help catch small problems before they turn into costly repairs. Need help with a flat roof in Portage? Visit www.roofsbyempire.com to learn more. Give your roof the care it needs and keep your home or business protected. Thanks for listening, and join us again for more practical home and property tips.